Imagine a knife that vibrates thousands of times a second, slicing through food like it's nothing. Or a fridge that actually scans your groceries and plans your meals. CES 2026 just showed us these kitchen gadgets, and they're real. Let's explore 5 that could make your winter days way easier. Welcome back to the channel, where we introduce cool gadgets that spark real curiosity. CES 2026 wrapped up recently in Las Vegas, and I've picked 5 standout kitchen innovations. These focus on practical features, no hype, just things that could save time and add convenience, especially in cold winter months. Let's dive in. Number 1. The Seattle Ultrasonics C200 Ultrasonic Chef's Knife. This is the world's first ultrasonic chef's knife designed for home use. The blade vibrates over 30,000 times per second, making cuts through soft foods like tomatoes or potatoes almost effortless, with cleaner slices and less sticking. It uses up to 50% less force, and the vibrations are silent and invisible. Priced around $399, available for pre-order now with deliveries starting soon. In winter, when you're making soups or stews, this could seriously cut down on prep time. Pretty intriguing, isn't it? Number 2. The GE Profile Smart 4-Door French Door Refrigerator with Kitchen Assistant. This fridge turns into a real helper. It has a built-in barcode scanner. Scan items to automatically add them to your shopping list, even sync with apps like Instacart. Interior cameras check freshness in the crisper drawers, and it suggests recipes based on what's already inside. It's around $4,899 and will be available starting in April 2026. For those cold days when you don't want to go out, this could keep your kitchen stocked and inspired without the usual guesswork. Number 3. The Cozy Time Lumo Smokeless Indoor Grill. This uses focused far infrared light instead of fire to cook food faster and without smoke, perfect for indoor use in apartments or during winter. It has AI that detects food size, temperature, and weight, then auto-adjusts settings for perfect results. You can grill steaks, veggies, or even pizza, all smokeless and precise. Pricing and exact availability are still emerging, but it's generating a lot of buzz from CES. Imagine cozy indoor meals, no mess, no smoke alarms, just great flavor on cold evenings. Number 5. The Dream Feast DS50 Air Fryer. This has dual cooking zones, one for crispy results, one for tender and moist, with precision airflow control. It lets you cook 2 different dishes at once and syncs timing so everything finishes together. 12 smart presets make it easy. Total 10-liter capacity. Priced around $229, coming to North America in the second quarter of 2026. For winter comfort foods, quick, healthy, crispy snacks without the oil, this could become a go-to. There you have it. 5 CES 2026 kitchen gadgets blending innovation with everyday practicality. Which one caught your attention the most? Let me know in the comments. Like if this sparked some curiosity, and subscribe for more gadget introductions. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and see you next time.